Hey there, Internet. Today, you can watch me fail at the SMD Challenge. So, I decided to test out a couple different camera setups for magnified SMD soldering, and this seemed like a good thing to use. I bought this a few years ago. Unfortunately, the 402 LED never really got out of the package and into my hands. As I was opening the little package, it shot right across the room, and I never did find it. The 202 LED, I wasn't able to test the polarity. The pads are on the bottom, and I was too lazy to change the tips on my probe. I did have an attempt at getting the resistor to solder, but I couldn't actually get my iron in contact with the pad and the resistor at the same time. So I guess what I learned is, number one, neither one of my magnified camera setups was actually working very good for doing the soldering. And number two, I am not capable of doing the 201s. They're just too damn small. I got the 402 resistor in place, and I think I would have been able to get the 402 LED in place if it hadn't shot out of the package. But the rest of it was a failure. So if you want to watch me suffer through attempting this, stay tuned. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. I'm going to attempt the SMD challenge. I bought this thing about a year or two ago, and I haven't done anything with it. So today we're gonna have a lash at it. I guess I'll start with the AT Tiny 85. I am back with the new camera, microscope, whatever. Going for the 805s. Uh-oh. That's a resistor, isn't it? Slip. Looks good. I dropped it. And I don't know where it went. I think that was the easy part. The LED just shot across the room. It flicked into my lap. I mean, here's the package. So I don't have anything that small. So we're gonna try. Oh, we're gonna try the ultimate here. If I can do this, then I can do the 401s, 402s, whatever they're called. Oh, that was a huge mistake. Yeah, I can see the pads on it now. It's impossible to flip it. God damn it. It did it again. I guess I lost a resistor too. Wait, is that it? Nope, that's a resistor. Uh-oh. Disaster. Yeah, crap. Stuck on there again. This is awful. What a way to spend a day. All right, I've got the end tinned and cooked. I can't even. Oh, dear Lord. Wow. I don't even know what is happening. It doesn't seem like I'm even able to get the pad hot. They're not touching. I stick it to the freaking iron again. Right, I don't know where the resistor is at this point. I think it's in the iron.